Look how impressive my snow peas look. But not everything is as it seems. Hi, my name is Jackie. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad that you're here. There are 3 big mistakes that I've made with these snow peas, and I want to tell you about it today. Now, in my defense, these are the first big snow peas that I've ever grown. I've only ever grown the dwarf ones, and I was just so impressed with how huge they were that I just didn't realize I had a problem. But the first thing was, so this trellis is actually, it's a old piece of solid fencing that I've driven in some pickets and I've tied on the fencing with some wire. Now, the first thing I did wrong was that the trellis was too high off the ground. It was probably, I don't know, what's that, a foot, maybe a foot and a half. Like, it was quite high off the soil. And so the snow peas immediately, they came up and they were looking beautiful. And then as they grew, they just flopped over. So what I ended up doing was driving in the pickets a bit further. And so it brought them down, and then I had to get them to then climb up the trellis. So that was okay. The next thing that happened was that they were huge. They were like all the way up to the top there, and there had been no flowers. And I was sort of like, but they look great. You know, what could possibly be wrong? So I ended up doing a bit of research. So the thing that snow peas need is phosphorus. They obviously draw their own nitrogen out of the air, but they need phosphorus. So I then put bone meal. I gave them a dose of bone meal and then watered it in. Voila, I had flowers almost immediately. So that definitely fixed my no flower problem. The third thing was that because they are so lush and there's so much growth, there's many leaves and tendrils and all that sort of stuff, it got really, really heavy. And it took me ages to actually getting around to giving it more support. So I've actually put some ropes all the way around just to kind of keep everything together. There was stuff hanging off here and hanging off there. It was ending up that there were bits snapping off and all of this sort of stuff. So that was the third thing that I finally did, and now things seem to be going really, really well. So I'm telling you so that you don't make the same mistakes. If you know of any other errors that you've made with peas or snow peas, please do let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.